Having fun while learning. From a young age, now this next guest is introducing a new system of educational robotic kits for kids, and it's really fascinating. The brand manager with Ebotics is Lluís Molas. Lluís, welcome into Tomorrow. How you doing?
Fine, thanks.
It's a pleasure to have you with us. So you're showing some pretty cool things that are getting a lot of attention here at IFA. Tell me about the Maker Inventor Kit, where you can build and program your own inventions.
Yes. Maker Inventor Kit is a kit where it provides everything you will need to build and program 5 different projects. So, at the beginning, you will learn how to mount with handcraft materials that they are already inside the box, and with the manual instructions that you can also see on the website with videos. You will learn to program each component, such as light sensors, buttons, LEDs, buzzers, and after that, when you have built your invention, you can play with it.
So it's not just about putting some pieces together. You're really learning about what the various pieces do and how they work and how to deal with them.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool. And this is a company called Ebotics Educational Robot Kits. So this is just one of several kits? So you have different projects?
Yeah, we have different projects and kits depending on the age.
Okay.
So when they are 3 years old, I think that it's very difficult for them to understand how robotics work.
Yeah, that's a little
They
young,
can-
perhaps.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they can only play with robotics, but not learn how robotics is working.
Yeah.
When they are 10, they are able to learn how each component works and how is it programmed. So after that, after programming these kits, they are able to create whatever they want. So just think about an invention and create it, because you will know how to do it.
So in this particular maker kit, there are 5 projects included, but you can do more, no doubt, right? They can be creative and do other things with some of these components even.
Yes, all the components are, you can reuse them. So you can use also handcraft materials that you have at home, or recycle like plastic bottles, plastic glasses, cartons, cardboards, whatever you need, and then create whatever you can imagine.
I love it. And different kits available, of course. Can you show us? You brought a couple of cool things to show how some of the easily built kits. Oh my goodness, he's just turned on a lovely fan from a lion's nose, it looks like. And I'm finally being cooled down under these hot TV lights for hours and hours on end. And this is one of the kits that the kids can build and understand what they're doing and how they're controlling it.
Yes, they will control this motor and also this potentiometer here. So you can modify the speed of the motor depending on the...
Yeah, leave it on
You have
high.
that?
I
Yeah.
love it. It's comfortable. But that's kind of fascinating, too, because it's not just, okay, I'm going to put a fan together, but they really get literally behind the scenes on building it and what the different components do and how they work.
Yeah, and then they can combine different components and projects. So, for example, this one, that this light. Oops.
We
This,
almost knocked it off the table.
This is a distance sensor that detects distance in front of it, and then it moves this servo motor here. So they can combine different components and imagine, for example, a plane. Grab a plastic bottle, and then put in the top of the plastic bottle this motor, these 2 LEDs here, this distance sensor. So depending on the height of the plane, you can turn LEDs on or off and make your motor faster or slower.
Yeah.
So this kind of stuff, it's really available, and we just provide tools and knowledge for children to do that.
So this is very visual. We certainly hope if you're listening on the radio that you don't forget to visit intotomorrow.com or again on the brand new Into Tomorrow apps, and you'll see these videos, because in this case he's talking about a couple of LEDs. It's basically a robot image, and in this case I'm just waving my hand in front of it and he's waving back to me. It's very fascinating and very cool. They are available how soon or now?
Yeah, we're just landing in Canada.
Okay.
So we hope that next year we will be able to land in the States as well.
Okay, very good. And are there prices yet, so folks have an idea of what it might cost for these
Yes,
kits?
the average price is around $60.
Okay.
So it's quite affordable.
Yeah, I was going to say very affordable to do 5 projects and then even more creativity
Yeah.
for the kids.
Yeah.
So, Luis, thank you for showing us about Ebotics, and continued good luck. Keep making cool things that the kids will learn from.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Good job. Ebotics.com is their website, Ebotics.com. And of course, we will link you to Luis's site and all of our guests from Berlin when you visit us at intotomorrow.com. I'm Dave Graveline. More coming at you from Berlin, Germany. Be sure to snag the brand new updated free Into Tomorrow app in your app store, and let us know what you think of the interviews and the shows, and you can check it all out right there. I'm Dave Graveline. This is Into Tomorrow on the Advanced Media Network.